So on Christmas Day, the 25th of December 2025, 25/12/25, me and Bella, we are leaving Victoria West and making our way slowly towards, I think, Fraserburg. But none of these days have ever panned out like we have planned them, Bella. Every morning we say, yeah, we're gonna go there today, and then
never
we
even get
end
there.
up somewhere completely different. So for us, Christmas Day is like really just being together and sharing, having an absolute ball time of our lives.
Laughing, making jokes.
Yeah, everything is a grappie. So I wish every one of you, if you see this, most probably going to be the end or the next day after Christmas. I had a insane lekker Christmas, and there's a dam to our left here. Just hope Bella doesn't want to fish here again. Damn, it's a big dam.
We stop our fish.
So onwards and forwards, we're going to stop here under the trees, and then we're going to sort out where we're going today. Arrivari, let's do this. This is just outside our Victoria West, the Victoria West Dam. I think it's the Brak Rivier that feeds this. But very interesting about Victoria West. Again, it was founded in 1843, if I remember correct. Again by the Dutch Reformed Church. So this little town, Victoria West, is older than the mountains. And I think if this dam is full, it must be a sight to behold. But a little bit of water left, but quite a beautiful dam wall. So us, me and Bella, we just decided that we're gonna see if we can make it to Fraserburg today, Bella.
That's the plan.
We haven't made it one day to where we were supposed to go, but let's see. Maybe we end up in Fraserburg, maybe Sutherland, maybe Middelpos, maybe Ganaga. We don't know. All we know is we're going. So let's hit the road, Joma. Let's go. So this is our very first pass. So that where that little verkykertjie is, this is Bokpoort Pass. I'm sure we're gonna get quite a few as we go closer to the escarpment of the Karoo, and then we need to get down into the Tankwa, most probably the route we're gonna take. But yeah, so this is the first Bokpoort Pass going through this neck here.
Dust on the wheels, gravel roads call Trans-Africa tours. We're ready for it all. 3x4 beasts roaring through the wild unknown, overlanding free where the wild winds blow. Start die choppers, engines ignite, hit the African trails into the light. Campfires glowing under starry skies.
So lekker under this old weeping willow. Me and Bella stopped here just as we came out of the Bokpoort Pass. Ubuntu. So Bella, it's Christmas Day for us, ne? And we must make some food, man. We must just check if the oinkie is still working. So now, me and Bella, we're gonna do what are you gonna do, Bella?
Lamb shank.
Lamb shanks.
Lamb
Let me
shank.
show you this. So those that know Mos my road chef. So today we're gonna do lamb shank, but not any lamb shank. Right? Oh, we're gonna do some Ditsum Karoo. Nee? This is cooking chops, and I'll show you now. But first of all, like always, this is my absolute go-to. It's just rough cut onions, nee? Rough cut. Onions in the bottom of this bag. Then some rough cut potatoes. Taters. Rough cut. And then some garlic, whole garlic, like this. And just to keep the flu away. And this is A grade. Check there. You don't believe me? A grade. Ditsim Karoo. And if it doesn't say certified Karoo lamb, nee. I promise you, it is not.
Karoo lamb in the Karoo.
Karoo lamb in the Karoo. So we just now very rough, kind of sort of do this now. We'll check up on it a little bit later. But my go-to black pepper, and then of course, how can a Trans-Africa cooking be without trusty old cannabis and lime? Moldelik.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Don't ever be shy. And then we bought this in Orania, Himalayan and herb salt. Quite a lekker salt. We're gonna later add a little bit of our smoked salt, just to give it that little bit of a lekker smoky taste. And you cannot do any lamb without rosemary. Rosemary just give lamb that's, I don't know how to describe it, but umami. So check this now out. Does this not already look like the real McCoy business? So this goes into the road chef now for 2 hours at about 160, 140, and then we'll see what it looks like. Maybe when we get to Loxton or just after Loxton, we'll have a look at what this Johnny's look like. So Arivari, let's put it in the oven. Right, so oven is loaded with lamb shanks and chops for Christmas Day.
2 kilometers.
Most probably dinner, late lunch.
Now we are having a snack first.
Now we're having Orania macadamias.
Pecans.
Pecans. Let's go, Bella, let's go. Right, so that little sign, that means we are in the Bokspoort Pass. We are doing Bokspoort Pass now. Lekker man, lekker. First off, I think quite a few passes still to be done today. And this is where we go over the Bokspoort Pass. Yeah, still climbing. Driving into Loxton this morning. What's the time now? 10:15, Bella. And quiet in Loxton. So first time in my life that I've come to Loxton. What a beautiful tree. These baie bome, lots of trees. There's one thing that hits me the first of Loxton. So if you go left here, you go back to Victoria West and Carnarvon. But just check this again, beautiful old church here in Loxton. Beautiful. So kom ons ry maar so eentjie hier af. Beautiful, kyk hierdie mooi huis wat hier is. Let's see what it's all about. Loxton, lekker corporation. So most of the places will be closed because it's Christmas Day today. But I think what a beautiful little place to come and explore on normal days. Kyk net hier af, die bome, huh? Beautiful trees both sides. Yeah, this is Loxton, your absolute beauty. Moersemoer. Well done, Loxton, well done. Ek dink hier moet 'n skool wees, cause there's sport fields, tennis courts.
Then nog of koshuis, is 'n hostel.
Ja, is 'n hostel. Nee man, die plek is so 'n bietjie mooi. So that board says Carnarvon, Victoria West. But we're not going there. So yeah, Loxton, your beauty. What a beautiful place. If I would have asked you, where are we now? It's difficult to say, no. We're not even sure ourselves where we are.
Somewhere I think somewhere is that way and nowhere is that way.
Yeah, somewhere is that way and nowhere is that way. But check our setting, ne? A lekker old windpomp next to the road. Let me just come out of here, just show you. So that's the road to Loxton, and that's the road to Fraserburg. So we just parked off here under this beautiful tree. Christmas Day. 99.9% of all places are going to be closed anyways for us to get something to eat today. So we're just going to braai. We're going to make Christmas burgers. Me and Bulla. So what we took out is our trusty disposable braai LKS, ne? Some patties and buns. What do you want more, Bulla?
You can't.
Let's build some Christmas burgers.
There's one more thing that's needed here.
What's needed, Bulla? Show me what's needed.
One more thing.
Show me what's needed.
Awesome. How can I buy that? Ooh.
Oh, zammer lekker. Enjoy them, Bulla. Enjoy them. Let's get that fire started. Let's braai. So this LKS braaier that is available in our shop and online shop, ne, Bulla?
Yep.
It comes together with its own grid, with its little stand thingy, and then now Bulla's gonna make us a. It even comes with 2 sticks of blitz. Not one, but 2 sticks of blitz. Huh? Light that fire, Bulla. 2 sticks of blitz. And in that little bag is the charcoal. Let's just show them the whole bag full of charcoal. So now we're gonna cook with gas. Let me tell you, this LKS, for this application that we use it now for, to quickly, next to the road, make burgers for us. This is the best application, or one of the best applications. One of the many applications. But for us, we just want to stop quickly, make us lekker burgers, and then move on again. So go get your LKS from our online shop or from our virtual shop in Irene, Route 21, Route 21 Business Park. But check the burgers we're going to build now. More. So round 2, Bulla. Check hierdie. Listen, this is number 2.
The first one went down so quickly.
Yes,
it wasn't time for a video.
And you have to toast your buns. You have to.
It's a must.
It's a must.
The industry standard.
And tell them what we saw in the dustbin.
Let me go show you.
Go fetch it, Bulla. Bulla's gonna go fetch it, ne? Somebody before us braaied in a LKS. One of our LKS.
Huh?
Somebody before us braaied in a LKS.
Yeah.
Same as this one.
Exactly, look. So it's not just us. It's not just us.
Because it's working. And it's lekker to have that, Johnny, in your arsenal when you overland. So as we were driving, Bulla just said, "Drugs vy." And he ran. Hulle moet nie vir ons dorings gee nie,
Nou vir julle mooi wys.
Ja, ek soek 'n bag vol. I don't want a bag full dorings.
So you cut off the one end.
Ja.
Turn it around.
Without dorings,
Cut off the other end. Then you can take it here. You can hold it like that. Then just cut it like this. Look.
Oh. Maar dit word duidelik hulle gevaarlike dorings. Dis aan die dorings aan die blytie.
Yes, nou bietjie.
Nee, Bulla, ek sien dorings.
Waar sien pa dorings?
Nee, ek is bang vir dorings. Ha? Ja. Gaan pluk gou vir ons nog 2, nee. Ek sal clean my own one without dorings. He's gonna learn the student now. So I always use a fork. So first of all, cut off the sides. Then let's make sure there's no dorings on the maize. And then you just all around like this. Well, listen, this is the first time in a very long time that I've had prickly pear, straks fyn. There's still one piece of skin. But how is this Johnny? Huh? Check there. Fresh prickly pear in the Karoo next to the road. Look some. Listen. I can't.
I guess I'm gonna have to pick one for me too.
Well, you have to have it like this. Oh, moer some more. Huh? Go pick for your one too. Go, Bella, go. So now Bella needs to go get for him one too as well. Hierdie ene nee. This one was the best so far. And look at the evidence. And these Johnnies grow wild here next to the road. Like seriously wild. Ah, Bella's getting one. And if it comes off easily, you know it's ready. Yeah, that one. Sure. Now you saw how I did it, ne?
Yeah.
Look and learn. So this is what makes this road trip unreal lekker. The experiences and the things we get to do. Because we're not rushed for time. Laat weet hierdie weggooi. So now we just discard that. Now Bella is he's gonna do one now. Yeah. Cut off the sides. Yeah. Make a little. Okay. Listen, and you don't want to get these thorns in your hands. Neither. You want to get this in your mouth or your tongue. Those that know, just check. Like a professional. Little piece of skin here left. Ja, maar jy sny baie vleis weg. Enjoy hom, Bella. Ja, the whole thing once. Look some. I think we must cut a few and put it in the fridge for tonight after our lamb shanks. One thorn. Now it's gonna ply you. But anyways,
But it's worth
Arrivari. Let's go. So just see. Die GPS wil vir ons die hele wêreld volvat. The GPS wants to take us everywhere, but this is Frasersburg, just filled up with petrol, and luckily the Maxi was open. Not that I really like to do shopping and business on Christmas Day, but our water was a little bit low.
Turn right. Turn left onto Rossett
Street.
Street.
Alles wil hê moet regs draai. But check again in the end of the street, this beautiful old church. But Bella, I think onwards and forwards, there's just quickly somebody that we're gonna go visit and say hello to, and then we're gonna move on to
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Sutherland, I think, né? So I say hello vir hier by Sutherland. So yeah, let's go.
This thing.
Stoot! So this is Jaco, né, in Fraserburg. He said, George, beware if you drive through Fraserburg. Sonder om te kom hallo sê, jy sal kaak my broer. So, this is Fraserburg, is hy. En Bulle, lekkere Fraserburg, nee. Dat is mooi in Fraserburg. Droog, maar mooi. So, Jaco, sê daar vir die mense arrivari. Arrivari. Cheers. Haal vir ons bietjie uit. Haal vir ons bietjie uit, haal vir ons bietjie uit.
I'm so glad this oven isn't inside of that bucket.
I can smell it.
Smells. Needed to be around there by me the whole time.
Bulle, haal het uit man, haal het uit, die oond uit. Moet brand, die vat die ander ook. Take it out, take it out. Let's see. So we just stopped here, what's it, 80 k's before Sutherland. Now I want to see, Yo. Look at this lamb shanks. And choppies. Well, we're gonna eat good tonight.
Fall off the bone.
So yeah, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of sauce. We're gonna close it up again. Sutherland. We didn't even make a video when we came into Sutherland, but blown away again. Huh, Bella? A whole house for us for 2 nights. Let me turn this camera around. So this is a house called Raka here in Sutherland, and Bella is straight for the what's it? Appelkoosies, Bella. Is it apples? Bring enetjie laat ons proe. Apples. So, come with me as I take you through Jack of the Karoo self-catering, Raka, né? So, first of all, nice little living room, and then Braji, the OG. There's my room. Let me show you Bella's room. So, Bella is sleeping there. So, if it wasn't for the food we've already put in for today, né? This is a full kitchen and even a working coal stove, né? But the ablutions, quickly, ablutions, né? So, Bella, if it wasn't for the lamb shanks already
We're having a breakfast, bro.
in the oven, né? There we're gonna watch soccer, South Africa and Egypt. Look at this. Morsel lekker indoor braaier, nee? And agterstoepie, there's the very dirty old Ubuntu. So let me tell you a little something, nee? For $1,000, this whole house. Malinki, if we come again to Sutherland on that tour, I'm bringing you here to Raka. So, lamb shanks for us tonight. But I'm sure, Bella, we're gonna braai tomorrow morning. Huh? What say you?
A breakfast braai.
Who says we can't braai for breakfast?
Wie sê so?
We'll braai for breakfast.
Sommer nou.
So let's do Sutherland. So this is how we end this Christmas Day 2025. Me and Bella. Lamb shanks, some veggies, and some bread. Show you now in the plate. You can be the judge and you can tell me. This lamb shank falls off the bone. There's the garlic, there's the potatoes, there's the chop with a full grain bread. So that is our Christmas dinner for today. And I even left a stukkie for poor old Bella. So Merry Christmas and Arrivari. God bless. Keep safe.